Before you start your Google Ads campaigns, you need to work out some kind of projections and key performance or profit indicators. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate and work out your KPIs and do some projections. Hello, my name is Uzair and thanks for joining in. If you like videos like this one, then put your request in the comment box below and I will do my best to create similar videos for you. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate and work out your projections or your goals or KPIs before you start any Google Ads campaign, because it is quite important to set up some targets and to see whether your campaign is running as per your goals or not, and if it is, then very well, and how you can carry on improving it. But if it's not, then you need to tweak your projections or optimize your campaigns. So let's have a look at some of the most important numbers which we have in our Google Ads account. So all you do is you create a simple spreadsheet like this one. I have in a column all your important, all my impressions, CTR, clicks, CPC, total cost, conversion rate, number of conversions, and cost per acquisition or cost per conversion. Or you can have any other metrics you like from your Google Ads account. But these are the key and the most important ones which you need to keep a very close eye to it. Now, how do you know how much money you would require or budget you would require to run a campaign? So this is how I project. I'll put in a number. Let's say I show my ads 100,000 times. So these are my impressions. And then I've got three columns over here. One is for 5% conversion rate, 10 and 20. And you can adjust or tweak accordingly, but these are some minimal numbers which I work with. Then let's say my CTR is 3%. So we get 3,000 clicks or visitors to our website. And to work out these numbers is fairly straightforward. You can see that's the formula. B3 times B4 equals to 3,000. Let's keep things very simple, and my cost per click is £1, which gives me a total cost or my total budget of £3,000. It depends on whether you want to run it for a weekly basis or a monthly basis. That's up to you. And then I work on, let's say, 5% conversion rate. Now a conversion could be a lead, a sign up, or a sale. Depends on the goals of your campaigns and your website. So now I can see that for £3,000 at 5% conversion rate, I will potentially get 150 conversions at a cost per acquisition of £20. So now I know whether this is workable or not, whether I'll make a profit or not at this acquisition cost. Now, to work out all your other numbers, all I do is copy that and paste them into these columns, and I change my conversion rate. So everything else stays the same. All I've done is change my conversion rate. So now obviously the conversion rate has doubled, my number of conversions have doubled as well, and my cost per acquisition has halved from 20 to 10. And then over here again it has doubled and it has halved again. So now I can see very quickly and easily what I will achieve with these conversion rate and what will be my cost per acquisition. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any comments or questions about this video or other videos which are on our YouTube channel, then please put them in the comment box below and I'll do my best to answer them for you.